Have you ever noticed how people from different generations think about money differently? Our upbringing plays a huge role in shaping our financial attitudes. What we experience in our youth, especially regarding money, leaves a lasting impression. Think about it. Someone who grew up during a recession might be more cautious with their finances. They might save more and avoid risks. On the other hand, someone who experienced economic prosperity might be more comfortable taking financial risks. Our early experiences with money create a sort of financial blueprint in our minds. These experiences influence how we view things like saving, spending, investing, and even risk. Understanding this can help us make more informed financial decisions. We often think our financial decisions are based on logic and reason, but the truth is our emotions and personal experiences often play a much bigger role. We create narratives around money based on our unique journeys. For example, someone who grew up witnessing their parents struggle with debt might develop an aversion to borrowing money. They might prioritize saving and living below their means. Conversely, someone who saw their parents achieve financial success through entrepreneurship might be more inclined to take risks and start their own business. These narratives, shaped by our individual experiences, guide our financial choices. Recognizing these personal stories can help us understand our biases and make more rational decisions. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, is a prime example of the power of compounding. He started investing at a young age and stayed invested for the long haul. This allowed his wealth to grow exponentially over time. Compounding is like a snowball effect. As you earn returns on your investments, those returns are reinvested. Over time, you earn returns on your initial investment and on the accumulated returns. This creates a powerful cycle of growth. Buffett's story highlights the importance of starting early and being patient. Compounding works best over long periods. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over time. While hard work and smart decisions are essential for financial success, we can't ignore the role of luck. Luck can often be the unseen force that propels us forward or holds us back, regardless of our efforts. Take Bill Gates and Paul Allen, the founders of Microsoft. Their journey is a fascinating blend of talent, timing, and serendipity. Their access to a computer at their school, a rarity in the 1960s, gave them a significant head start in the world of technology. This early exposure allowed them to develop skills that were far ahead of their peers. This isn't to say that their success was solely due to luck. Their relentless work ethic and innovative thinking played crucial roles. They possessed the talent, drive, and vision to capitalize on the opportunity. Without their unique abilities and determination, the opportunity might have been wasted. However, their story reminds us that external factors, which we can't always control, can play a significant role in shaping our financial outcomes. These factors can sometimes be the difference between success and failure. Recognizing the role of luck keeps us grounded and reminds us that financial success isn't always a straight line. It helps us stay humble and appreciate the unpredictable nature of life. Sometimes it's about being in the right place at the right time and seizing the opportunities that come our way. Being prepared to act when luck strikes is just as important as the luck itself. The financial world is full of ups and downs. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day fluctuations of the market and make impulsive decisions. But long-term financial success requires patience and a positive outlook. Think of it like this. When you plant a seed, you don't dig it up every day to see if it's grown. You nurture it, give it time, and trust that it will eventually blossom. Investing is similar. It's about planting your money in quality assets and giving them time to grow. Remember, market volatility is normal. Instead of fearing it, embrace it as part of the journey. Focus on the long-term potential of your investments and don't let short-term fluctuations derail your financial plan. Section 6. When the unexpected happens. Tail events and their impact on wealth. Sometimes unexpected events, often called tail events, can have a massive impact on our financial lives. These events are statistically rare, but their consequences can be far-reaching and profound. These events are rare but can be positive or negative, like winning the lottery or experiencing a natural disaster. A sudden windfall can change someone's life overnight, while a disaster can lead to significant financial hardship. In the business world, we see tail events shaping outcomes all the time. Companies can experience unexpected successes or failures that dramatically alter their trajectory. Think about Amazon's success with Amazon Prime and Amazon Web Services. These innovations were bold bets that paid off massively, turning Amazon into the giant it is today. These were not just lucky breaks, but strategic moves that capitalized on emerging opportunities. Jeff Bezos and his team took calculated risks that redefined the company's future. While we can't predict tail events, we can prepare for them. Financial planning is crucial in mitigating the risks associated with these unpredictable occurrences. Having an emergency fund, adequate insurance, and a diversified investment portfolio can help mitigate the impact of negative tail events. These measures provide a safety net that can absorb shocks and reduce financial stress. And when positive tail events occur, we'll be in a better position to capitalize on them. Being prepared allows us to seize opportunities that can lead to significant financial gains and long-term wealth. Section 7, Rich versus Wealthy, Understanding the Difference. There's a big difference between being rich and being wealthy. Richness is often associated with flashy spending and material possessions. It's about what you can buy today. Wealth, on the other hand, is about building lasting financial security. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values. Imagine two people. One earns a high income but spends it all on luxury items. The other lives modestly but saves and invests wisely. The first person might appear richer, but the second person is building true wealth. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and a long-term perspective. It's not about keeping up with the Joneses, but about making choices that support your financial well-being in the long run. Section 8, the never-ending chase, breaking free from the hedonic treadmill. Have you ever noticed how getting what you want doesn't always make you happier in the long run? You might feel a rush of joy when you achieve a goal or receive a gift, but that feeling often fades quickly. This is the hedonic treadmill in action. It's a cycle where we constantly chase after new desires only to return to our baseline level of happiness. We set our sights on a goal, achieve it, and then quickly adapt and set our sights on something else. This adaptation can make it feel like we're never truly satisfied. This constant striving for more can be financially and emotionally draining. The pressure to keep up with ever-increasing standards can lead to stress and burnout. Imagine getting a promotion and a big raise. Initially, it feels like a significant achievement. You might feel happy initially, but soon you might find yourself wanting an even bigger house, a nicer car, or more expensive vacations. The cycle continues. Breaking free from the hedonic treadmill requires a shift in mindset. It's about recognizing the cycle and choosing to step off the treadmill. It's about finding contentment with what we have and focusing on experiences, relationships, and moments that bring genuine joy and personal growth rather than material possessions. Engaging in activities that enrich our lives can provide lasting happiness. This shift can help us make more mindful financial decisions that align with our values. By focusing on what truly matters, we can find a deeper sense of fulfillment. Section 9, Embracing the roller coaster market, volatility, and long-term success. Investing in the market is like riding a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns, but just like on a roller coaster, the thrill comes from staying buckled in and enjoying the ride. Market volatility is a natural part of investing. Prices go up and down in response to news, economic data, and investor sentiment. Trying to time the market perfectly is nearly impossible and often leads to poor decisions. Instead of fearing volatility, accept it as the price of admission to the potential long-term gains that the market offers. By investing consistently, staying diversified, and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can ride out the market's ups and downs and come out ahead in the end.